his story out loud. Yeah, it will be sort of like a monologue. And this person will improvise on a story that we give him a title for. And the other two will be his characters. So, the storyteller will introduce the first character, make a platform for him. We call this platform in improvisation means setting the stage, the environment, the characters. What will the scene be about? And in the story, for instance, it's where it's happening, who are the characters, right? So this storyteller will think about the platform. So many ambulances in the city. So he will think about the platform.
No, the car is coming.
Oh, what's that? It's you. Oh, she was asleep. Yes. And the second character will come and be in a relationship that the storyteller will, not necessarily you, I'm looking at you because I know you're a storyteller.
No, I
and
need
will
the storyteller.
say, choose another, who do you want to be the storyteller out of these three?
Andrew.
Andrew will be our storyteller. Let's help Andrew with place.
Pharmacy.
A pharmacy. Okay. You will be writing a story that happens in the pharmacy, and let's make it like that. Yeah? In the pharmacy.
Does he also say our lines, or we can just?
There is the possibility for the story. You only act, right? You portray non-verbally what the storyteller describes happening.
Not really.
Verbally can only be done when he says două puncte.
Due punti. I understood, but...
The two dots. And then
Coma.
Coma? No, not coma. What dialogue? What?
A dialogue between...
Yeah, the dialogue marks, you know? Like
When
the
he says,
quotation
like
marks.
he says.
Inverted comma.
When he
Okay.
says, they say.
Let's say commas, right? Is the quotation mark, and then the character can say something
Okay.
in relation to what the storyteller is describing.
So yeah, it was when it was. I think it was in winter. There was snowing, and people were cold, and they didn't like the weather at all, waiting for the summer. The old guy, he walked on the street looking for the pharmacy. But he couldn't find it. He needed it to find a medicine for his very ill. He asked some other person on the street.
I have to say.
Coma.
He didn't say coma.
Yes, I have to.
Yes.
Yeah, coma.
Now he said
No, but yeah, I was sorry for the interruption. He has to say.
yes.
Coma.
Yeah, he has to say.
Dear fella, would you please tell me where do I can find the pharmacy?
I'm sorry, but I finished. Or can I let him answer? I should
You're the
say.
storyteller. You tell us what's
You
happening.
tell us what's happening, yeah.
You create your story.
In a book. Where can I find the pharmacy?
The other guy answered. Go.
In Georgetown.
The old man
We have to